Hey guys, where are we going today?
Mount Vesuvius!
Are you excited?
Yes!
It's parallel parking.
Oh look, you back in right here.
Or you could. How about?
Everybody just sit
All right, guys, we warped a few kilometers up. We took a taxi after we parked the car. We're still hiking, so we'll see you guys at the top. Well, we're having fun. Climbing up the mountain. I'm carrying a baby. We are going on a trip.
And our favorite rocket ship.
So hopefully there's a bench up here we can stop and have a snack. Oh, we got a little bit of wind up here. With that amazing view. Hi guys, we made it to the top. I really don't know if you're gonna hear this because of the wind, but I want you guys to take a look at something.
Wino Pop.
That is the crater of Vesuvius. Approximately 1,938 years ago, this thing erupted. Where I'm standing would be a very dangerous spot to stand back then. They estimate that it used to be twice as tall. Currently standing at approximately 11,000 meters up or 4,000 feet. And go a little bit higher and we're going to take a break. Yeah, it used to be lava. Canyon is huge for that crater. What do you think, Kristen?
I like this. The top of this.
You did what?
I like this. Oh look, way down.
Starting to freak out yet?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey Daddy, there's the Pokestop.
This is the Pokestop. You know what that is?
A Pokestop?
It's a marker. You're at 1,200 meters above sea level.
Hello.
We made it to where the trail ends.
Keep on going.
The trail's ending, sweetie. They won't let us go any further. We've made it as far as we can walk.
Hi.
We've been up here for a while. What do you think, Mom? Was it worth it?
Yes.
What?
Worth climbing up?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Beautiful. Got a bunch of clouds. All of this behind us is just clouds. But the sun is still out, which is really nice. So
Stop throwing rocks.
let's walk down the mountain.
Stop breaking the wall.
Just give up.
I'm sitting here for a little bit.
Take pictures of the kids.
That looks-
Melanie's trying to climb up there.
You went up there now?
No. Hey, stop kicking the rocks. Come over here, Mal.
Be very careful. Dangerous, yes. Now that's high enough, Kristen. Turn around. Smile for Daddy.
It's a waterfall.
Stop. You have fun, Mel?
Yeah.
You did? Did you have lots of fun?
Yeah.
Were Were you walking or being carried the whole way? You were being carried the whole way. Everybody.
Rocks in my pocket.
Abbiamo suonato sulle vostre aie e voi non avete ballato.
So we made it up to the top of the volcano and we made it back down. We did stop at the restroom that they had there. It was not exactly a public restroom. They charged us to use it, about 50 cents. Then when we got in there were no toilet seats, which I knew that was the case in Naples at least, but I had forgotten. And we get in there, super gross. I didn't want to use it, so I waited till we came home.
And then she passed out, like fell asleep.
I sat in my chair and covered up with a blanket, and next thing you know, an hour had gone by. All the kids were bathed. He had taken a shower, and it was time to feed everyone.
Super dad. So we didn't film much afterwards.
The boys went immediately to sleep tonight. The girls were up until 10 o'clock. I don't know how they had the energy. I could barely stay awake all day. I'm about ready to fall asleep right now.
So we're gonna call it a night. We're heading to bed. Thank you guys for watching this far, and we'll see you on the next destination.
Ciao!